The Vondior Tire Pressure Gauge is a tool designed to help you maintain proper tire pressure, which is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. As an overlander, changing my tire pressure depending on the type of road is a must. For me, it is very important to have an instrument that consistently indicates my tire pressure. This tire pressure gauge provides accurate readings within the range of 0 to 60 psi. The gauge uses an analog display mechanism with a traditional dial and needle. Using the gauge is pretty straightforward. You simply attach the gauge nozzle to the tire's valve stem, and the gauge will indicate the current pressure reading on the dial. It doesn't require batteries or electronic components. The Vondior gauge is built with durable materials that can withstand regular use and potential drops. It's designed to be sturdy and long-lasting. This is one of the most important tools that I carry in my vehicle. It protects the investment I made in my tires, in addition to the security provided by running the tires at the appropriate pressure according to the conditions.